Hello, welcome to Business 105 Intro to Business. I am Helen, your instructor for this course. We are going on an 8-week journey exploring all aspects of business. You'll be learning in lots of different ways here at Bryan University. One way is through our Learn It's, where you'll increase your business vocabulary, learn new concepts, and new definitions. You'll do that on your own, on your computer or smartphone. We'll also connect through our board, through our community board called Yellow Dig. There we'll explore new topics that aren't presented in your course and connect with each other. Be sure to log into Yellow Dig at least twice or 3 times a week. Take a look at your course syllabus for more information on this. We'll also be learning with your book. It's available to you. Make sure you can access it. It has lots of information. You'll be reading it and using it as reference for your assignments. Assignments are due often in this course. You've got an assignment due the very first week of class. Don't delay. Don't get behind. It's very important to get organized. We'll also be learning through our meetings together. We'll meet 4 times throughout this course. Check your course information for the exact time and Zoom link for our meetings. The first one is on the 6th of December. We'll be meeting through Zoom either at 7 a.m. Pacific time or 6 p.m. Pacific time. Choose one of those meetings and join me on Zoom for a great intro to our class. It takes a lot of grit to get through school. It takes a lot of a different mindset. Get organized, create a growth mindset for yourself. You can do this, and I'm happy to help you along your way. Contact me anytime at the number posted in the course, and I will be able to help you get organized or help you understand an assignment better. I will see you on the 6th, and I'm really looking forward to it.